Good morning, everybody. Well, actually it's about 3 p.m. But anyways, today we are going to basically wet sand this guy right here. So we dry sanded it, overall changed it from something that looked pretty nasty to something that looks pretty nice and shiny, but it can be shinier, it can be better. I looked it up and I asked some friends and they basically said wet sanding was the way to go. So we basically prepped it up nicely for wet sanding by dry sanding. Now we're gonna wet sand. So I already put in some sandpaper and water and soap. We're gonna let that soak in for a couple of minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna wet this down, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, everyone. So we basically wet it down, let it soak in there. Let's get to it. Let's see if it works. So already you can see it's already taken out some of the dirt. So about after say 10 minutes of sanding it down and watering it and whatnot, I'm honestly not sure if it's even doing anything or if it's just because it's wet it looks shinier. I can't tell. But that's it. I guess we'll just keep going. We'll keep seeing how it is. Make our way all the way up to 2,000 grade and then just see how it looks and then dry it off and see if it still looks clean. Honestly, it does look shiny, so not too bad. So we're about, I'd say, an hour and a half into straight up wet sanding and whatnot. Honestly, I think it's coming out pretty well. You can definitely see a nice shine in it. We still have to buff it, like Squidward's head when SpongeBob, buffed it up with that pink stuff, like right now. And so, as you just saw, that's what we're gonna do with this once we're done. So we start off with 320 grit, worked our way up to 800. Now we're there. We just finished that. Now we're gonna go to 2,000 grit, and then yeah. So then after that, we're gonna buff it out. I unfortunately do not have any buffer equipment with me. We have one of Engineer Soft's friends. He has it, so we're gonna have to wait for that. So that will probably be a separate video. Probably I'll cover part 2, just buffing it out and last final touches. But this is it right now. On to the next step of 2,000 grit. So what we did today was basically wet sand it from low grit all the way to high grit, and then basically cleaned it off, dried it off. This is how it looks like right now. Honestly, after dry sanding it, I thought it looked nice, but it looks amazing now. And before I even started dry sanding it, it was terrible. And now this is where we're at right now. It's just amazing. I'm really happy with how it turned out. However, we're not done yet. We still have to get rid of a lot of this gund, if you may, this dirt. And the only way to do that is with a Dremel. So that's something I really don't have with me right now. So we're waiting for that to come through. Then we're gonna do that. So this is it for this video. We're gonna do the Dremel work on the next video, probably part 2. But yeah, this is how it looks, and honestly, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm excited to see how it will turn out once we basically polish it all up and use the Dremel and everything and make it look nice. Excited to see because it already looks real nice. And yeah, so that's it for this video. The next we're gonna work on is this fuel tank, basically cleaning that up, making that look nice too. Honestly, I do think that we'll have to spray paint it black, maybe something else, maybe, I don't know. I'm pretty sure the original color is black, so if I want to make it the original color, just paint it black again, or I could do something else with it. But yeah, that's what we're looking at now. But yeah, that's this video. This video is done right now. And basically, we got a lot accomplished with this guy right here. I'm honestly really excited to see how it turns out. I hope you guys are too. So if you guys enjoyed this video and just learned something about sanding and whatnot, because I personally learned a lot. So I hope you guys did too. I hope I explained it properly. If not, I don't know what to tell you. I guess I'm a bad explainer, I'm a bad teacher, whatever. Which is something I knew already, but whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If not, still give it a thumbs up. I really, just do it. Anyways, I will catch you guys on the next one.